To make this project, we need a machine learning model that will see the image and will tell if there is mask or not. Even if you don't know much about TensorFlow, Keras, and all machine learning libraries, deep learning, that's fine. We don't need any of that to build this project. So we will be using Teachable Machine. So Teachable Machine is a open source project by Google. In that we can just put the images and train the model. So Teachable Machine Learning is a fast and easy way to create machine learning models. So we can use it on our sites, mobile phones, and on our system also without using coding. So as you can see that it is able to compare the pose of that person using T and Win, and also the snap and clap, the music, it is also able to classify, and someone made sorter. So it is a nice thing we can try, and today we will be using this to just classify if there is mask or no mask. Okay, so to save time, I have downloaded few images for mask and no mask, and I have put that into a dataset folder. So I have downloaded them from internet. I am just using 5-10 images. You can use more if you want. To improve the model, also you can capture your images from your mobile phone and directly put that into training. So now let's start. So we will upload the images here. We can drag all the files and drop the downloaded images here. I can drop it all at once. So there are two kinds of images, mask and no mask. So I just change the labels of mask and no mask. So make sure you click on upload before uploading the images. So it will accept that, and the model parameters are fine. I will just click on train and model is training. So we have few images, so the model will train very fast. Let's check result with some images. The model is trained. We will be uploading with file, so I just change that to file. Okay, I have to. It will not work if you keep the input mode off. So now it's on. I can upload the image, and yeah, it is no mask. It is detecting it perfectly with 100% score. Let's test one more. It is again perfect. One more, and yeah, it's good. So let's move to mask images. Great, it is showing 100% accuracy, but it won't show 100% on real time. So let's just start and try it on my webcam. So input is on, and hi. So it is no mask, detecting perfectly fine, and now I have the mask, and it just made it perfect, like it is detecting mask perfectly. So we know the model is trained now, and let's test it a little more. And let's try with another mask. Yeah, it's able to detect this mask perfectly fine also. So the model is good enough. And if there is just mask without a person, it will also detect as a mask. So be sure to create the perfect scenario for it. And that's it. So now we are satisfied with the model. We will download it. So the automatically selected one is TensorFlow JS. and we can download it. Along with download, we can upload the model to Teachable Machine Learning Host or Teachable Machine Host, so that we don't need to send the model to anyone or put that in file. We can directly use the link and use the model. So it will be very helpful when we are working on this project. And copy this link and save it securely. We will need it later. Also try to put some more information with this link where you are saving it, because you might get confused if you have multiple links for that. So I have saved the link. So there is few code, and also we can if you want to develop the code in TensorFlow using Python and also in Keras, you can download the weights here also. So yeah, you can just convert it, will just convert your model weights and provide you the perfect ones which you require. So for now it is for TensorFlow JS we are using on browser, so the browser weights are fine, but in future if you need, you can refer to this also. And also there is one more, TensorFlow Lite. So we can also convert it to TensorFlow Lite model, and it is very optimized model, and it can work on your mobile phones easily. So you can just download this model and you can run the same model on your phone easily. So you can run mask no mask model easily on your phone. For that you need to know a little of Android development. So yeah, that you can do. There are some FAQ which I think you should read before moving on in this project further. So how can I save my project? Can I use outside Teachable, and where is the model published when I upload the model? So it is just saving the weights of the model. So weights are just numerical weights, and it is not saving any of the image that you are having in the model to Google, so it's safe. So anyone can use the model. You can just share the link of your model and they can directly use in their project. So it's a nice thing. It will be easy to develop. So if you found some other model that is not good, or that you feel is not good, you can also report this on the web on to this Teachable machine. So yeah, they are providing the safety and security for all of these things. So that's good. Let's start coding in JavaScript and get our project ready.